Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add resume to Wix. So let's go to Wix editor page first. In Wix editor page, you'll find here plus icon, add elements. Click on this. Then you will find here button. Click on button. Now you'll find here document button. Click on document button. Now you can see here docs file, exe file and pdf file. If your pdf is if your cv or resume is docs file, you have to choose this doc file, but my one is choosing is pdf file, so I'm choosing pdf. My cv is in pdf format. Okay, so I'm gonna do this here, and you have to position with the cv to anywhere, that's up to you. After that, click on that PDF option and you'll find here change file. Click on change file. So after click on change file, you'll find the interface like this. You have to click on upload media, the blue button. Click on this and choose upload from computer. Now choose the PDF from your computer. I'm choosing any PDF, just show you. Click on this. Choose your CB PDF or resume PDF here. It will take some seconds. Hold on. After complete upload, you have to click on this choose file. Click on choose file and your file has been chosen here. Now if I click on this preview option, you can see that PDF has been added here. If someone click on this PDF, here will be direct you to open a PDF folder. Okay, so this is how you can add resume in PDF format in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.